Former FBI Director James Comey testified in front of the Senate Intelligence Committee on June 8th.
And it's my judgment that I was fired because of the Russia investigation.
What happens next? For starters, Congress, the FBI, and Special Counsel Robert Mueller will all continue their separate investigations into Russian interference in the 2016 election.
So we must find out the full story. What the Russians did, and candidly, as some other colleagues have mentioned, why they were so successful.
Ultimately, Mueller will be the one to decide whether Comey's testimony is evidence that President Trump obstructed justice by asking him to discontinue his investigation of former National Security Advisor Michael Flynn.
Well, General Flynn at that point in time was in legal jeopardy. There was an open FBI criminal investigation of his statements in connection with the Russian contacts and the contacts themselves. And so that was my assessment at the time. I don't think it's for me to say whether the conversation I had with the President was an effort to obstruct. I took it as a very disturbing thing, very concerning, but that's a conclusion I'm sure the special counsel will work towards.
But there are some new questions to be looked at, too. First, was Comey's decision to ask a friend to pass a set of notes to the media improper?
And so I asked a friend of mine to share the content of the memo with a reporter. Didn't do it myself for a variety of reasons, but I asked him to because I thought that might prompt the appointment of a special counsel.
And second, what information did Comey have about Attorney General Jeff Sessions?
Our judgment, as I recall, was that he was very close to and inevitably going to recuse himself for a variety of reasons. We also were aware of facts that I can't discuss in an open setting that would make his continued engagement in a Russia-related investigation problematic.
Lawmakers want to know whether Sessions had an unreported meeting with the Russian official in April, after he recused himself from the Russia investigation. As one lawmaker put it, we're nowhere close to getting all of the answers.